In July 2022, Sean Doman was riding his bike through a Kalispell neighborhood when he saw a police officer conducting a traffic stop. He stopped and began recording the stop with his phone. That phone video is now posted to YouTube. When a second officer arrived on the scene, he told Doman to move back.
I need to be able to record audio.
You can record it from right over here. Like I said, the fact that you're standing here...
I'd like to stand right here.
Okay, well you can't.
The situation escalated and eventually Doman was arrested and charged with obstructing an officer. A jury later found him guilty. Doman challenged his conviction, saying he was exercising his constitutional rights, not interfering with police. On Wednesday, his case reached the Montana Supreme Court.
Sean Doman is being criminally punished for exercising his right to record the police in public.
Doman's attorneys argued the officers treated him differently because he was recording, and that's unlawful.
If somebody had been standing in their front yard gardening that day, would they have been told they needed to retreat to their house?
The ACLU of Montana is also backing Doman's challenge.
Erosion of our constitutional rights is of critical import to me, and it should be to everybody. If somebody is permitted to be arrested simply for exercising a constitutional right, then we're no longer living in a democracy.
An attorney for the state defended Doman's conviction. He argued Doman's attorneys hadn't done enough to bring up these issues earlier in the legal process, and that he was arrested not because he was recording, but because his presence so close to the stopped car was disrupting the officer's investigation.
And he says, right, I agree, do me a favor and just get out of where we're working, and you can totally film from right over here by this tree, okay? Those words were spoken clearly, concisely. There is no way Doman didn't hear those words. There is no plausible way he didn't understand the words.
Justices will now consider the arguments before making a final ruling. In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.